Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a haul of some stationery, mostly stickers, and all of them are from StationeryPal. And I just thought it would be a fun video to show you guys what I got. So let me open this up. So I've actually already opened this because I've been anxiously awaiting this package, and when it showed up yesterday I just had to dig into it. So if some of these products are not in their original packaging, that is why. So this is actually a little freebie that came in the package. That was really cute. I didn't order this, but I think it would be really fun as like a little Christmas ornament, or like each of these could be ornaments on their own. I ordered this packet right after Christmas, so maybe that's why they have like a little Christmas theme thing, but it was super cute. So I'll just set that aside for now. So this haul is pretty much all stickers, but they do come in a few different forms. I have these like these sticker sheet packs on this side, but I also have some other little packages. So first I have these two rolls. They're almost like washi tape rolls, and it's like the same material, but each of these just has a roll of like little circles, and they have these in a bunch of different colors. But I thought this would be a nice like little basic thing to have for my journal. By the way, almost all of these I bought specifically for my bullet journal. So anyway, I have this yellow and orange set and also a gray one. And it has all different shades in each of these packs. So you get a lot of different colors. And I liked these options because if you bought this kind of thing in a sticker sheet that kind of was like this, you wouldn't get that many, and I think that it's more affordable to get them this way. So I really liked that they had that option. I have another kind of format for these where, again, it's just like a bunch of little dots in different shades. And I wanted to try this one out. This one's cool because it just comes in a roll as if it's like a sticker sheet, but you get a lot more. I have so many little dots on this roll, so this will last me a while. And these ones are a little bit smaller. So here's a size difference between the first one I showed you, the yellow one, and then the one on the bigger roll on the right. So it's nice to have an option of two different sizes. And I really like those. I would definitely get more of these if I order from them again. Oh, I also have these. These are kind of like Post-it notes. So one side of them is sticky, and you can just use them to add like little notes to your bullet journal, and I got them in shades of green. These are really cute, but I've used a few of these and I noticed the sticky isn't like super sticky, so I think these have to be like taped on or attached with something else. But I do really like the color, and they actually match with my journal so well. This is my journal for this year. So I've been doing a lot of green because it matches the front really nicely. Then I have this little booklet. This is way smaller than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be like the size of my palm. These are really, really tiny. But anyway, it's just a little booklet of like almost like photographs or artwork, and each of them is actually a sticker, which is really cool. And as far as I can tell, every single photo in this little packet is different. So here are some that I already pulled out, and then I'll just flip through really quickly. It's just a bunch of like really pretty aesthetic photos and landscapes, and it just has like a really calm vibe to it. And I think they have different packets of these with different themes, but these are gonna be really nice for layering. I always love to layer and collage in my bullet journal, and I think these will be really fun to have. The material is also kind of like washi tape, so it's a little bit translucent, so it makes it really nice for that. And also it helps how many layers and how thick my notebook's getting, because since I like to do so much layering, it can get pretty thick if I like to layer a few things on each page. So there's that. Smaller than I expected, but I actually think it will work out pretty well for my bullet journal, and I really like them. I've already used a ton of these actually. Next, I have a couple of these little boxes of stickers, and each one has a different theme. So this one's a coffee one. And it's just a box of individual stickers. This coffee one does have some repeats in it, so you get a few of each design. I like that it has like little coffee ones, but then you also get these like greenery kind of stickers that I think are supposed to be coffee plants. And I always like having stickers that have like leaves and stuff on them because those are just the ones that I tend to gravitate towards most, and they're so easy to stick on any page. And the style is really interesting. It's kind of like a watercolor, but like a very realistic watercolor. A little bit different from what I would normally go for, but I thought it'd be fun to try them. The other one is a much different style. This one is much more like cutesy, and some of them look like they're like the same watercolor, but then there are other ones that are more graphic and like two-dimensional, almost like cartoony. And this one just has a whole different bunch of drinks in there, just like cute little drink stickers. And I don't think any of these are repeats, which is kind of neat. You get a bunch of different ones in here. This looks like those yogurt drinks that I grew up drinking. And then here's a couple other ones with that cool watercolor kind of style. Each of these little sticker boxes has a lot of pieces in them, which is really nice. It's a really good deal. I have a few more packs that have like individual stickers in them. So I'll start with this one. This one has a bunch of watercolor style blue and purple like stars and planets. I've already used some of these in my journal, and I think they're really neat. I've been doing a lot of like stars and kind of like astrology themed things for a lot of my yearly pages, and I can show you some of those later on. So these have been really fun to add. Then we have one that has a bunch of like plants and herbs in there. And again, I've used a lot of these already, and I can tell that this pack is going to go really fast. It's just like exactly up my alley. These little leaves are so perfect to tuck around everything. It's really easy to use them up. I wish I had gotten 2 packs of these. These will go really quickly. Has a bunch of herbs and also some like cute planters and stuff. These sticker packs also have that same like translucent kind of washi kind of feel. And I've used a few of them, and they have a really nice stickiness to them. They do stick really well, but I'm still able to reposition them nicely. So I really like that. It's like the perfect amount of stick. Next I have this like autumn forest one. I haven't dug into this one yet, so I'm curious to see what it looks like. It's winter right now, so I'm probably not going to be using these for a while, but they'll be great to have in the fall. In the fall, I always use lots of like little leaf stickers like this, and the color palette is so perfect. There's also some little forest animals like this fox, and then we have a deer and a rabbit, but mostly like leaves and flowers, which is perfect. Next, I can get into the sticker packs, which I'm so excited about. These ones specifically are the ones that I actually placed my order just to get. So I found this brand, Suatelier, hopefully I'm saying that correctly, and they are just the cutest stickers. I bought like almost every one that I could find because I think that they will be so perfect for my bullet journal. So let's start with this first one. This one's called Home Sweet Home. And you can see I've already used a couple of these. I just couldn't help myself. I really tried not to open these up so I could show you the full thing, but I'll show you later on where I put them in my journal so you can see them in action. They're just so cute. Each of these stickers has so much detail, and they're like really petite and tiny, so they're perfect for bullet journaling because you don't really want big stickers all the time because you need to fit them into small spaces. This next one is called Healing, and it has a bunch of fun activities and some people stickers. I don't always like stickers with people on them, but I really like this style. I think it will be really easy to incorporate into my journal. Here's another one called Lovely Day. This one has so many like teeny tiny little stickers, like those little strawberries over there. They are just the cutest little thing. I can't wait to use these little tiny guys and see how they look. Next I have a couple of food ones, which I'm very excited about. This is Food Trip number 1. And this one is Food Trip number 2. You can tell these stickers are more like an opaque sticker, and some of them even have like foil on them and they're a little bit shiny. So it's a little bit of a different style from the other ones that I picked out, but I like how vibrant they are and they have a really like unique look to them. And each one has a lot of detail and I just think they're really fun. Next I have I Like Coffee. Actually, I'm not a huge coffee drinker, but I do like that this pack has different things that are not just coffee. So this little one says milk tea. There's like some baking stuff like cheesecake, whipping cream, vanilla powder. So I thought that one would be really fun to have. Look at those tiny little coffee beans and those little stars. So adorable. And then lastly, for the Suatelier stickers, I have this deco drawing one. This one is different from the other ones. The style is very different. And it looks like these stickers might be a little bit translucent. They're also smaller than I thought they would be. Like, I feel like the actual sheet is just shrunk down a little bit for this one compared to the other one on the side. So each of these stickers is so freaking small. But I think they'll be fun to use. They're very abstract, so they'll be easy to like toss in anywhere. So those are my Suatelier ones. I'll show you some of these in action in a little bit. And I do really like how high quality these ones are. I would definitely buy more stickers specifically from this brand. I kind of want like every sheet that they have now. They're so cute. Okay, last two sticker packs. This one again has a very similar like purple and blue watercolor style that's very similar to this star pack that I had earlier. And this one has a bunch of leaves and greenery and flowers. And this pack comes with 6 sheets in it, so there's plenty of stickers in there. You can see I've already used some of those ones. And then here's the last one. This one also has 6 sheets in it, but I noticed that 2 of the sheets are actually duplicates, which I think is a mistake. Something must have gone wrong because I've used a bunch of these, and you can also tell that there's something wrong with the die cutting and they didn't quite line up correctly. And same thing with this one, that's the duplicate actually, so that's a little bit of a bummer, but it's okay. I still have like 4 full sheets that are perfectly good. This one has like a bunch of mixed themes in there. It's a whole bunch of things in there all jumbled up, but it has that same watercolor look. And they have that translucent washi material that's so nice. So there is my little sticker haul. This whole order actually only costed me $25, which I think is an incredible deal. And then I paid some for shipping, but I'm really excited for all these stickers. I'm going to be using a lot of these in my bullet journal this year. I'm kind of trying to embellish my journal a little bit more and make it a little bit nicer. Oh, real quick, I'll show you some of these stickers in my journal since I already used them up. I am going to do like a flip through of my 2022 journal as it is so far. It's not going to be like a complete setup video, but I will like flip through and show you what kind of pages I did for this year so far. So first thing here on this page, I have a little houseplant washi tape sticker here. And I love to stick these greenery leaves just in like little corners of things to embellish those. Here's a look at my book tracker page where I kind of went with like a star and constellation theme, so I added in those watercolor planet and star stickers. It was just black and white before and I was gonna leave it at that, but I think a little pop of color did it some good, so I'm glad that I had those to add. It went perfectly with the theme of that page. These two are a couple of those Suatelier stickers from that like house pack. And they're really tiny, but they are so cute. I don't know what it is about them, but it just adds like the perfect little touch to this page. I have one of those washi stickers here. And then this little layering thing is from this little packet. You can see how it's kind of see-through and it's just perfect for adding a little layering touch. And then this is another sticker from that Suatelier pack. Here are some stickers from that herbs sticker pack. So I have the words and also one of the leaves. And then here's another little Suatelier sticker. Just the cutest little touch. I love them so much. Here's a quick look at my February page. I have a couple of those little drink stickers. And then here I have one of those photograph layering stickers and then one of those dot stickers. Those smaller dot stickers here. So you can see I'm already making good use of these stickers that I just got yesterday, and I think they're really fun. I'm really trying to step up my bullet journal game this year. I am going to be doing like a full little flip through of my 2022 journal as it is right now, and that's gonna come out next week, so stay tuned for that. I really hope you guys enjoyed this sticker haul. I'll leave a link to the store that I shopped at to get all this stuff down below. I like all the stuff that I got. The only thing I would let you know is that it did take me like 2.5 weeks to get all this stuff because it came from China. So just keep that in mind if you're going to order from them. You're gonna be waiting and checking your mailbox every day for like 2 weeks like I did. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you again in the next one.